going to be relaxed because the objective is not to hold the bow in front of you, but to push it. So you're actually pushing. Tapos hihilain ninyo. So push dapat yan. So most of the time, halos hindi nyo hinahawakan. So yung iba mapapansin nyo, isang finger lang. And hindi siya naka-flat yung palm. Instead, medyo open yung palm ninyo. Pagtitignan ninyo. Kasi dapat, eto, nakatapat dito sa side na to. Okay? Hindi siya nakaganyan. Kawawa lang yung wrist nyo. So, you're going to push it so that your finger, your thumb rest is going to be the one in front. Okay? Next is that, your arrow, make sure that when you put the arrow on, yung dalawang kulay na pareho ang didikit dito. And then you're going to knock it, meaning papasok yung string dun sa arrow. Next, you're going to be holding the string, not the arrow. You will not be pulling